Hi guys, today I'm going to share you a very simple recipe called egg cloud toast. In Chinese we call 云朵吐司. It is super easy to make and yummy. So the ingredients that we need today is 2 eggs, butter, sugar and salt, honey, and 2 slices of bread. So we will begin the process. We separate the egg yolk and egg white. So here I'm using the manual way because I don't have an egg separator, but it is fine either way. So there you go. So we'll begin the process with beating the egg white together with the salt and sugar. Beat until it becomes foam-like texture, cream-like texture. Yeah, there you are, good to go. And for the bread, you need to spread the butter and honey evenly on each slices of the bread. Yeah, after that, we'll take the egg white mixture you put on top of the bread. Yeah, and in the middle you need to make a small hole so that the egg yolk can fit on top of the toppings. Yeah, shape. I like the shape. After that, you need to place into the oven. So the temperature that I'm using is 170 degrees for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is the result. Yeah, it's a bit burnt on the top, but it's fine for me. It's yummy as well. So as you can see, I'm cutting the egg yolk flow down. It looks so tempting, it's very yummy. Yeah, that's me. And my boss approved too. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.